Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our CCNA 200301 video series. We explored the syllabus. Here, the syllabus has an overview in previous lecture. These are the 6 modules. First one is network fundamental, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, automation and programmability. These are the 6 modules. In 6 modules, one of the module is related network fundamentals. Here we will discuss one topic, network components. So, what is the network components? After completing this series, you will be able to define what is network components, what is the ecosystem of this network components. So, before going to start, I want to ask some questions. Clear? Question is that why are network components so important? Why are network components so important? Clear? This is the question. You might wonder. Well, imagine a network as a vast ecosystem and the components are its vital organs. Clear? This is the scenario. Each component has a specific role to play, working together to ensure seamless communication and data transfer. There are many things. Without connectivity, they cannot share each other. Clear? There may be anything. These are the organs. Clear? And these veins just provide the platform to communicate each other. So here we will say this is a transmission media. Clear? Now we should search network components. These are the network components. Clear? Here we can see that this is a firewall. This is a WAN link to connect a router with internet. This is transmission media. This wire is known as transmission media. Here this is switch which works as a small area network. This is a server. So here you can connect with as a world internet. Clear? Look this type of diagram. That means you will be able to understand what network components will be. Suppose you don't have information about this, is just like a terminology, but network architecture, if you try to understand, then go and watch everything. There is, without components we cannot connect each other. So component is the first part. So our syllabus provide and our syllabus express the first point will be network components. Why first point is network components? Because without components, just like as ABCD, without ABCD we are not able to define the word, the letter. Without letter we cannot define word. Without word we cannot define sentence. So this is the letter of network component. That means network components just like as a letter. This is the set of alphabets This provides the platform to understand the networking architecture. Clear? So, don't worry in complicated zone. We are here, so don't feel fear to understand. So here, whatever we understand, we should check with definition. Here definition says that what is network components? It is nothing but this is just like a physical devices, and we are always saying this may be organs. These organs work as a architecture to provide connectivity. Clear? So this is just like a physical devices that make up a network infrastructure. Clear? Suppose that we are communicating with each other. Here we are making and we are teaching here, and you are able to communicate with me. Why and how? Because your compute, your system just have internet IP addresses, and these IP addresses provided by some router, some services. Maybe it be your Android, Geo phone, Airtel. There may be anything. Clear? Then you are able to connect with me. So you are using net router. If you go to office, then you will see this is the server room. There may be server rooms. There may be switches. Clear? So we should follow this type of connectivity, and we should try to understand what is networking. So go office and check where is server room, where is switches, where is router, why it works. Then if you try to understand, then you will be able to understand what is network components. These everything whatever we look at that point comes under network components. So every physical devices that make up a network infrastructure, that is. So we use servers, clients, switches, routers, hubs, modem, network interface card, transmission media, firewall, VPN, load balancer, network operating system, wireless access point. There are many things. There are many IoT. Clear? Now, look at this diagram. This is a basic diagram to understand this scenario. This ecosystem, here switch works. This is switch, this is router, this is server. Server may be any server. Clear? This is client, users. Clear? Clients, users, anything. Clear? This is our internet. Clear? These are connected with blue lines, that means transmission media. Clear? Just like a cable. These are physical devices, but work as a software sometimes. So we know this type of things. Clear? Here we will discuss every pinpoint related to what is a component, some basic rule and function. So first point is that what is servers? What is servers? It provide shared resources. It provide shared resources. Clear? To the other computer, clients. Then what is clients? What is clients? Clients, that means there may be any computer, it has access for servers to use the resources. So what will be the definition for clients? Computer that access the resources of server. Access the resources of servers. That means this is the server room. Clear? And this is the client. They want to each other. This is a server. Here some data is stored. This is client. Clear? Now, what is switches? Switches is nothing but within a network, it provides the platform to connect each other within a network, in same network. So first you should understand it works same network. Clear? Then what will be the definition? It connects computer together on a local area network. Same network to connect computer, a client. There may be many clients. Clear? They want to connect each other with the help of switch. Clear? Within the same network. Same network, just every device has MAC address. With the help of MAC address, they can communicate each other. This MAC address always will be fixed. Clear? Now, what is router? Router works to connect clients with different network. So it works different network. Clear? Different network will be, suppose that what will be different? Here LAN, where switches and clients exist. This is WAN, or world exist. This is the world, and these are the small office. If you want to connect with world, then you should use router. Clear? You should use router. So router is a device that connect different network together to forward the data packets between networks such as LAN and the internet. Now, what is transmission media? What is transmission? Just like as a physical devices, cables, wireless, anything related this. Clear? These things comes under transmission media. Suppose this is the cable. Do you know data at cables, before cables just like as a bits, then signals, then bits, then frame. Before this frame, it is the type of data at every layer. In OSI model it works. We will tell you a OSI model in depth in upcoming videos. This type. Clear? We will tell you. Now, what is firewalls? Very important points. Clear? Firewalls. Suppose this is the gate and here LAN, here internet. Clear? That means WAN. Then this gate is known as firewall. Clear? Because it protect us. Unauthorized user. For attack. Unauthorized users. Block the. Clear? It blocks the traffic. So this is just like a gatekeeper. Without firewall, nobody can enter. If you have a passport, if you have ID, then I will provide entry to use the services of LAN network. So firewall just like a gatekeeper. If any attacker comes, then please show your ID card. Just type of firewall works. Now, what is the next point is a VPN. Do you know VPN is the very important point? That means this is a virtual private network. We will tell you in upcoming videos what is a VPN, every pinpoint of this, but a basic idea. Do you know everything is public, and here is the user of USA and here is the user of India. Clear? They want to connect each other. That means user of USA want to access and remotely, but there is public network. How can they communicate securely? With the help of VPN. With the help of VPN, they can connect each other remotely with the help of VPN, and they can communicate and they can share data securely. When we say secure, then their security is provided by with the help of IPsec, SSL. Clear? These type of these are the protocol IPsec. This protocol works at a network layer of OSI model. So OSI model is a backbone of networking. Then in the syllabus, I will provide everything about OSI model. Clear? Now, what is network operating system? Clear? It is for managing. It is just like as a software to control the operation of network. To control the operation of the network. Clear? Such as printer, file share. There may in office there are many users. There are many users. And they want to set printer. For manage their one printer, then we use network operating system to manage these things. Clear? I hope you have a basic idea of each components, and maybe you are able to define what is network component. Clear? This is what is a network component. That means this is the physical devices that make up network infrastructure. We use such types: server, client, switches, router, hubs, modems, network interface card, transmission media, firewall. There are many things. Clear? This is the first point, network fundamental. In the network fundamental module, we have discussed network components, and after this video and upcoming videos, we will discuss network and networking, which is very helpful. We will discuss notes in upcoming videos. There are many things to share our knowledge. So wait and watch for next update. Thank you for